Hello Techie, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solutions. I want to teach you the Python as the fastest way as possible and more practical way. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon. Today I am going to cover the Python list, collection of data types that will come under list, tuple, set and dictionary. In the list, tuple, set and dictionary, we have four collection of data types. Okay, in the list, just ignore the error. In the list basically is a collection which is order and changeable, and the good thing that will allow duplicate member. Okay, in tuple basically is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. It also allow duplicate members. Allow duplicate member, I will tell you what it means. Third one is set. Basically is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. And no duplicate member is allowed here. In dictionary, basically is a collection which is unordered but changeable and indexed, and no duplicate members. Okay, this is four collection: list, tuple, set and dictionary. Might be in the interview also they will ask what are the collection in the Python, then we can say list, tuple, set and dictionary also. Okay, basically today I am trying to cover list. Okay, basically list is a collection which is ordered and changeable. In the Pythons, lists are written with square brackets like this. Okay, I will give you an example. In the list, I am going to cover access, how we are going to access the items in the list, negative indexing, range of indexing, change item value, and loop through a list. These 5 topics I am going to cover inside the list: access item, negative indexing, range of indexing, change item values, and loop through a list. This 5 I am trying to cover in this video. Okay, let's start with list. How you are going to define the list? The list equal to square bracket with apple, banana, cherry. Okay, this is basically we are going to print type of the list. It will print as a list. Okay, now if I am going to print the list, it will print as a list: apple, banana and cherry, collection of strings. Okay, now I am going to show how we are going to access the list item by referring to the index number. Okay, if I am going to print the underscore list with 0, then it will print apple. Okay, 0 1 2. Same way, if I am going to print the list with 1, then it will print banana. Print the list 2, it will print cherry. If you print the list 3, then it will give error. Okay, index out of range, because 3 is not here. That's why it's giving is index out of range. Okay, now we'll go with negative indexing. Negative indexing means beginning from the ends. Okay, -1 refer to the last item, -2 refer to the second last item, etc. Okay, we'll use the same example with minus indexing. We're going to print the list with -1, then it will take last item is cherry. This will be -1, this will be -2, this will be -3. We're going to print the list -3, the apple. Okay, same if you're going to print the list -4, that doesn't exist, that will give error of index out of range. Okay, now we'll go with range of index. You can specify a range of index by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When you specify a range, the return value will be a new list with the specified items. Okay, let's go with example, then it will understand better. The list equal to apple, banana, orange, kiwi, melon, mango. Okay, this is the list. Print type of the list. Okay, class list. Now if I am going to print the list range, that now we are going to define range 2 to 5. Okay, what it will print? 0 1 2 from orange, 4 5. Okay, 2 to orange, kiwi and melon it will print. Correct? It will include 2, but it will exclude 5. We're going to select 0 1 2 3 4 5, like right. If you're going to start with index 0, then you will exclude 5, mango. Okay, it will print from 2 to 4. Okay, same with one more example. The list with the same value 3 to 6. Okay, that means 0 1 2 3 4 5 excluding 6, kiwi, melon and mango. Okay, now it's clear. Remember, always the first item has to start with index 0. Okay, now we are going to give example with exclude first one, just like the list with column 4. Okay, this is another way we can write. If we are going to print this one, what will happen? It's going to start with 0 1 2 3 exclude 4. Okay, to end, and it will print from 0. If you are not going to specify anything here, then it will start from 0 0 1 2 3. Okay, it will be from 0 to 3 if you are not going to specify 0. Okay, same with if you are going to print the list 2. Okay, that means 0 1 only, right? It will exclude 2, apple and banana. Okay, right. Now I will give you example add to end. If you, here what will happen, the start we are not specifying here, and what will happen if I am not specifying end? The list start with 3 and column. Okay, then what will happen? 0, 1, 2, 3. It will start from 3 to the end. Kiwi, melon and mango. Same like that, if I'm going to try the list 4 to the end, then melon and mango. Okay. Now we'll go with negative indexes. Specifying negative index if you want to start the search from the end of the list. That means it will start from mango -1, melon -2, kiwi 3, -3, orange -4, -5, -6. Okay, that means negative indexes. Print same example, the list -4 colon -1. Okay, sorry, this is indexing ranges. I missed it column here, that's why it's giving it. I use comma, it should be column -1. Okay, -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, -4 to -1. Orange, kiwi and melon. It will include this one, mango. Okay, I think so this is clear, right? Now how we are going to change item values? That means if I go into the change equal to apple, banana, cherry. Okay, if we are going to add the values, change the value into the item, that means 0 is here, 1 is here, 2 is here. If I am going to change the value of banana, then it will be 1 equal to mango. Okay, enter. Now if you are going to print the change, what will happen? It will print apple, mango and cherry. Banana is going to replace with mango. Okay, it will change the item. Now I'm going to show how we are going to loop it. Okay, we'll go with the loop banana tech solution. Okay, now if I'm going to loop it for x in the loop, I will give you all the looping, while, for, break statement I will show you in next video. Enter, print x. Okay, what it will print? First banana, then mango, then text solution, one by one. Okay, now I will go give you one more example that will tell you if any particular item that will contain into the list or not. Okay, if item exists, right, that will define as in. What it will do to determine if a specified item is present in a list. Okay, which keyword we are going to use? In keyword. In the loop equal to same example, banana, cherry. Enter. If apple in the loop, print yes, apple in the list. Okay, because apple, this one in the list, this apple in the list. If same example, if I'm going to say if mango in the loop and print if mango in the list. Okay, then it will print nothing. Okay, because mango is not in the list, and we're trying to print if is in the list. If we are going to insert one more item into the list, and then if you are going to use this one, then it will be print. Okay, in the next video I will cover list length, add items, remove item, copy a list, join to list, and list constructor. Okay, list length, add items, remove item, copy a list, join to list, and list constructor. This 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 item I am going to cover in next video. Okay, if you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to watch my video in future, just subscribe in below bell button icon. He will notify you when my new video will come. And don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much.